Hi children. So we are learning fourth lesson, separation of substances. Can you remember what are the how and in which category, at what category the materials are classified? Yes, the first one lustrous or non-lustrous. The second one hard or soft. Can you please name any one lustrous metal? Good, very good. Can you name any one soft metal? Soft material? Yes, you can take eraser, cotton. Yes, today we are going to learn about the third category, that is solubility. Okay, solubility. Okay. When your mom is making tea, what does she add? First, she'll make the milk to boil. Then she'll add tea powder and sugar. Okay. After the tea has boiled, can you see any sugar on the bottom? No, it got dissolved. So, it is called sugar is soluble in milk. Okay. So, this is what solubility. Solubility is defined as the amount of given substance that can be dissolved in a certain amount of solvent. So, here the universal solvent is water. With water we can mix any substances. Okay. So, here I have told you an example, milk making tea, no. So, in that solvent is milk. Okay. But here we will take water as a solvent. Okay. See, can you see the children's pictures, children? Yeah. See, if you are adding sugar in the water, it got dissolved. Okay. So, this is the first picture, a soluble substance. But if you are adding tea powder in the water, it will, some will float and some will sink in the bottom. Yes or no? So, those are called insoluble substance. Clear? Insoluble substance. Okay, after the tea has boiled, mother uses a filter. Yes or no? Strainer to filter the tea leaves waste. Yes or no? So, sugar is dissolving and tea leaf powder is not dissolving. So, sugar is soluble, tea leaves powder is not soluble, insoluble. Clear children? Yes or no? Okay. Now, can you mix oil and water? No. So, oil is insoluble in water. Okay. So, you can do something as a practical in your home and you can send it to me as a video. Okay. You can use any soluble substance and you can use any one insoluble substance and take a video and send it to me. Okay. Substances like sugar, sand, juice powder, இப்போ சம்மர் சீசனில் வந்து ரஸ்னா இதெல்லாம் குடிப்போம் இல்லையா, ஸோ தட் இஸ் ஜூஸ் பவுடர், வாஷிங் பவுடர், டிட்டர்ஜென்ட் பவுடர்ஸ், காஃபி பவுடர் கேன் பி டிசால்வ் இன் வாட்டர். ஸோ இன்ஸ்டன்ட் காஃபியில் வந்து நம்ம ஃபில்டர் பண்ண ஸ்ட்ரைனர் வச்சு பண்ணணுங்கிறது அந்த காலத்தில் அப்படி வந்தது. பட் நவ் இன்ஸ்டன்ட் காஃபி பவுடர் இஸ் அவைலபிள். ஸோ டேரக்ட்லி யூ கேன் மிக்ஸ் இட் வித் அ மில்க். ஸோ தே ஆர் soluble in water. Substances like chalk powder, tea powder, oil, husk. What do you mean by husk, children? The waste in solluvom, ummin solluvom illaya, husk அப்படினா it is a waste parts from the plant, cannot dissolve in water, so they are insoluble in water. Okay, they are insoluble. Okay, water is the universal solvent. Any solid objects which we are adding inside the water is called solute. So, sugar is a solute. Okay. After adding sugar, it becomes a solution. So, sugar was added into the water. So, totally, finally, it will become a solution. Okay. So, there is a small correction, children. Sand, it will not soluble. See, you just omit it. Okay. Substances like sugar, instead of salt, I have given sand. Sorry for the mistake. Okay, you can use salt. Okay. Yes. So there is a fun activities for you to do that. Collect some samples of vinegar, lemon juice, mustard oil and kerosene oil, coconut oil and any other liquid. Take a glass tumbler and fill it up half with water. Add a few spoonfuls of one liquid to this and stir it well. Let it stand for 5 minutes. Observe whether the liquid mixes with water or not. Repeat the same with other liquids and write your observation. So vinegar, surely it will mix it well in water. Lemon juice also? Yes, it will mix. So you just try it for coconut oil. Okay, and we have to send the video to me. Okay, clear? So 3 activities you have to do. The substance which is soluble in water, substance which cannot be, which will be insoluble in water, and so you can do any two things and you can send it to me. Okay. See, some gases can also soluble in water. Can you tell what are the gases present in water? See, H2O is the formula for water. What are the gases are present in there? Hydrogen, oxygen. Say they both can be mixed in the water. Some gases cannot. Not all gases cannot be mixed with the water. Okay. Okay children, with this we will conclude this session. Do the activity and send it to me. Okay. Thank you.